Let me show you how I make that simple spaghetti bolognese for my family, and they really enjoy it. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. If you are new here, this is Cook with Debbie. Kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you've not, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much and God bless you. So in a pan, I have my oil. I added my sliced onion and then fry until it's translucent, and then I go in with my blended mix. So the place is smelling so good, and then we have to stir. After stirring, and it's like this, like we fry for 3 to 5 minutes, we add our minced beef or minced meat. So we stir the minced meat until it is brown and juicy and tender. So when it turns like this, you still have some blood in it, and then we continue to stir until everything turns brown and it's ready for us to add another thing. So now that is still frying, I go ahead and prep my spaghetti. I added some salt to water, that's for taste, and then allow it to cook or boil. So whilst it's on, I check on the sauce again. Added my spices to it. You can use any spices of your choice, it's okay. And then this is salt to taste, and I stir everything together. So at this point, I added my blended fresh tomatoes to the sauce and then give it a good stir and allow it to cook like 10 to 15 minutes and check on it again. So our 15 minutes is up and we are checking on it again. We give it a good stir and it's almost done. Very simple but delicious. So if you watch to this end, then it means you like this video. Kindly give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, comment, and also share. So at this point, I'm adding my spaghetti to the water for it to cook. So I break it into two, and then I added some oil to avoid the spaghetti sticking to each other after cooking. If you don't like it too, you can also skip it. So as I'm giving it a good stir, is then the time to add my frozen vegetable mix to it, and then we give it a good stir. You can also use the fresh vegetables as well, and to achieve this beautiful look, and it's looking so nice, colorful. Yeah. So we check on the spaghetti and it's 80% cooked. We don't want it to be mashed, so 80% cooked, it's okay, and then the rest will be in the sauce and it will cook very nice. So here I'm going to strain the spaghetti, and it's time for me to add the spaghetti to the sauce. So when you add it, it's time for you to stir, and every spaghetti strand will have the stew, the juicy stew, and it will taste so good. Yeah. At this point, they were asking, "Mommy, is it ready? Is it ready?" Because the smell was all over. And look at those, looking so nice. Here I tasted for salt and it was so good. And I realized that it was so thick because there wasn't some oil, more oil on it. So I added some spaghetti stock to it so that it will be juicy for them. Okay, so when you are not done, you can keep the stock. At this point, you can add some stock to it and it's okay. So this time, all is left for us to serve and enjoy those simple, delicious bolognese. And they love it so much with these fish sticks. And enjoy. So thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, like, share and comment. Thank you so much for watching till this end, and until then, see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.